Experts forecast U.S. floating solar installations exceeding 1 gigawatt by 2025. What's driving the momentum? Floating solar offers distinct advantages over traditional solar. Reservoirs, lakes, ponds, and offshore waters provide vast untapped space for panels, increasing renewable generation without competing for land. Water cooling effects boost panel efficiency by up to 10%. Studies show floating solar yields up to 20% more energy compared to rooftop systems. Recent technological advances are also accelerating adoption. Improved flotation systems keep panels stable even on waves or reservoirs. Saltwater-resistant components enable ocean projects. Solar tracking mounts maximize energy yield. Such innovations pave the way for large-scale floating solar farms. Tapping this massive potential is critical for sunny states like California and Arizona facing rising energy needs and limited land availability. California has over 600,000 acres of reservoirs suitable for floating solar, with the capacity to generate over 3 gigawatts of electricity by utilizing just 10% of this water surface. Arizona has 300,000 acres of reservoir water area that could be leveraged for new solar capacity. But opportunities abound across America's heartland too. In Iowa, up to 90% of the state's land is used for agriculture, making farmlands ill-suited for solar. Floating solar on Iowa's lakes and reservoirs could be a win-win, generating ample clean electricity while preventing water evaporation. Indiana has over 5,000 lakes and reservoirs at its disposal for potential floating solar projects. Missouri's expansive Table Rock Lake could host floating solar islands powering surrounding towns. Unleashing America's offshore solar resources could take things to the next level. Studies estimate ocean floating solar in U.S. coastal waters could generate over 7,000 gigawatts of electricity, enough to power the entire nation today. With coastal states from California to North Carolina prime for offshore projects, immense untapped potential lies off America's shores. Floating solar represents a paradigm shift in renewable energy generation. By tapping abundant water resources, floating systems can dramatically increase solar capacity without compromising land usage across the U.S. With supportive policies and sustained innovation, floating solar will play an integral role in building America's clean energy future.